Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hy. If you are new to this channel, on this channel we bring crypto reviews, tips, and how you can make money generally online. Whatever I see on this channel, they are just for educational purposes. They are not financial advice. Do your own research before you make any decision. As you can see on my page, on my YouTube page, I have been bringing out some videos, different type of videos about crypto, how you can do a lot of things concerning crypto and what is happening in the crypto ecosystems. Here's my channel. You can try to subscribe. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and share with others. And also, you'll be able to get more videos as I drop them almost every day. So these are my previous videos. Try to watch them. They are very good videos. They are informative and educative. And today, I'll be talking to you about how you can make money on Binance without investing any money. It's funny, right? It's possible, and I will show you how it is possible. All you just need to do, you just have to have access to internet. You have to be able to talk to people and share some things with them. This is very possible. You make money without money on Binance. I did a video concerning Binance for beginners recently. You can watch it. Try to watch it if you are new to Binance. If you don't know much about Binance, you can watch that video. It will really help you, and it will really help your journey in crypto ecosystem. Binance is one of the top crypto exchanges we have right now in crypto ecosystem. And if you can know how to use Binance, you are literally money. You'll be making money almost every time. And today, with the trick I'm about to show you right now, just hold on and follow me as I show you how you can do this thing. It's very real how you can do it. Don't forget to subscribe. Help this channel to go viral by clicking the like button, by sharing with your friends and telling them. We have social media platforms in the comment section, description section below that you can subscribe to. And if you are new to Binance as well, you can use the link down below to subscribe, to create an account with Binance, and you get 10% as you use that link to create your Binance account. Without wasting much of your time, let me take you to the Binance application. Because I'm on my phone, I'm not using I will not be using my computer. The interface is different, as you can see. It's because I'm on my phone. So what is it that I want to show you concerning this Binance trick I'm talking about? If you can to look at the screen right now, you see that we have this my Binance verified. I taught about how you can verify your account in the last video I did for the beginners. Tax center, reward center, referral ID, pay, gift cards, my gifts, payment methods, and a lot of things. So we'll be focusing on referral, my referral ID, how you can use it successfully, how you can use it to make a lot of money. That's what I'm about to show you. Binance, they have 3 types of referral programs. We have light referrals where you can share the links with your friend directly. You invite friends to sign up and deposit more than 50 USD. You receive 400 USD cashback voucher each on everybody who deposits. You can share your link frequently and also once you ask questions. You can have to use Binance Lite referral. Many people don't know this, and I've been seeing online recently that people have been saying affiliates, they are this, they are that. It depends on how you do it. You just have to know how to do it. So these are the frequently asked questions concerning the Lite referral, how to claim reward, said to be eligible for the referral rewards, you must complete identity verification within 7 days after the reward is available. It is very important to do your ID verification on Binance. This is frequently asked questions. You can go through it when you get on this page about, okay, we have standard. Right now on the standard referral is different from light referral. So the standard referral, when you refer people, you receive 20% of the amount they deposited. This is 24 hours. This is top number one. This is how much they have been able to amass in 24 hours. Top 1% and 40% commission on every trade across Binance Spot futures and pool. Once those people want to trade, the highest one is 40%. So for this standard referral, you receive 20%. You can copy the link easily. Or if you want the ultimate one, which is the 40%, you click join affiliate programs. There are a lot of they require a lot of things for you to be able to join. So I recommend Binance to your audiences and earn up to 50% lifetime commissions on every qualified trade. Do you believe the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology can change the world for the better? Join the Binance affiliate program and earn special rewards when you introduce your word to Binance, the world's leading cryptocurrency. So these are all the things they need. You can share this link on Twitter, your Facebook, Reddit. As you can see here, you can share it with almost everybody, and you get your bonus. So if you want to, if you are after reading all these rules, Binance does not allow any affiliate member to solicit an existing Binance user to create a new account with the sole purpose of becoming their referee. If somebody already have a Binance account, you cannot ask them to use your link again to create. It's prohibited. All these things, you must note them before you get into it. So now, if you are not Binance feature affiliates yet, apply. Okay, this is feature. Let me just. Okay, let's go back. How to join Binance affiliate program. Visit our affiliate page. So this is the affiliate page. Become an affiliate. The one I just went now. If you are maybe you are a forex trader or you are a cryptocurrency trader that you have a lot of people on your group, you can use this feature. The feature, Binance feature affiliate bonus programs. Maybe you have followers that you give signal almost every day, and your signal is genuine. You have Telegram page, you have a page on Twitter, you have a page on WhatsApp. You can share this link with them, and you make a lot of money. This one they pay almost 30%. Let's see, they pay, yeah. In addition to any 30% commission and providing an initial 10% discount for your referral. Your first 10% discount they will give to your referral once they use your link, and you get 30% commission. Future affiliates can now earn a bonus of 72,000 USDT based on the fees paid by the referrals over the period of 1 calendar month. What that means is that they share this money with their as your referrals, as they place trade, they be sharing the fees with you, and it all can be up to some 2,000 USDT. How does it work? It's actually really simple, and all Binance feature affiliates are eligible for the bonus program by default. So once you refer somebody through your link or something for future trading, you have access to this bonus they are talking about. This one here, but the general one is visiting the affiliate page. Let's see if there is other ones there. I also will show you that one, the future trading, because if some people they are experts in this trading the market, and they are so good at it that they have a lot of followers. So if you are one of them, you can use that link to get more money from Binance by literally doing nothing, by literally submitting the link. That is what it means. So now to fill the general, you face the affiliate page, submit a form. After submitting the form, you create and share a affiliate link. Then you have to approve it first before getting it back to you with the link and stuff like that. Join now. So this is the affiliate link. You click English, you click your country, and you continue. You follow the on-screen prompting. Let's say I'm in Nigeria. Guys, this thing is real. Without money, you can make a lot of money. Imagine taking 50% from one of your clients that register through your link and load their account with $1,000. That is $500 for you. So you continue. Which country, region do you plan to market in? You put it there. You are an individual, or if you are a group of company, you choose what is appropriate for your case there. So don't shame about yourself. You say maybe you are involved in a lot of people. You create value for people. You have 5,000 followers on Twitter. You have a Telegram channel where you give people value, and you have like 10,000 people there or less. Just find something, just write something there that will portray you as a serious person. And what type of affiliate marketer are you? So you say for sports, in this case you can choose both. Please share your contact details, last name, including your last name and the first name, your Telegram, your Twitter ID, you share it there, your Binance account UID, you share it, your Binance account email. I'll come back to show you where you can see your Binance account UID. Enter your primary platform or channel, maybe YouTube or something like that. How many followers, members do you have? Put it there, and you send it. So let me quickly show you the Binance UID they are talking about. Okay, this is the Binance UID. This is the number. You put it there. So after you get that link, it's a 50% commission on each person you refer. Then you get to work. Then you share it with people. You share it on Twitter. You share it on Facebook. You share it on WhatsApp pages that people allow you to share. You share it on your platforms, and this is how you make money. This is what I mean when I say make $2,000 without no money on Twitter. These are ideas that can really materialize. These are ideas that has worked for people, and people are really making it there. So try to do this affiliate. If you cannot do the last one I did now, you can start with the light one. You can start with the light affiliate or the standard affiliate. You can start with that one and see how it works, and continue like that. We have standard, we have light. You can start with standard or light affiliate. The standard one is 20%, and your person you are referring with, we get 10% bonus. The light referral is there too. You can start with that, or you go all out. You just go for the 50% one by filling that form step by step and concentrate on it. If you enjoyed this video, please, or learn anything from it, please hit the subscribe button and click the like button. Turn on the notification bell so you can get more videos from me as I drop them in the future. Thank you for listening, and see you on the next one.